So this program is going to create a random number generator, and it's going to do something based on the outcome. Now the first thing I need to do is get an input, which is whenever I shake the microbit, it's going to generate a random number. Now if you go through each of these in maths, I can pick a number between 0 and, we're going to say 2 for this. And if I go to variables, I'm going to store this. And if I go to my drop-down menu, I'm going to rename that to a dice. Obviously, you can add more to this later. Okay? So I'm going to set my dice from a number between 0 and 2. Now, what I can do now is if I go to logic, I can say if, and this is called selection. When you are programming, selection is the process of actually picking something based on an outcome, and a condition needs to be met. In this case, our condition that is going to be met is if dice is equal to 0. So we need to go back to logic, and this is where we find our equals block. At the moment, it says if 0 is equal to 0. Now, we need to change this. We need to use our variable, and we need to say if the dice is equal to 0, what is our outcome? Well, we might have a message on the screen that says hello. Now, if I right-click and duplicate that, the other possible outcomes are 1, because it goes 0, 1, and 2. If I do that again, I'm going to say hello, goodbye, and let's just say my name here. Now, if I run this, watch what happens. So I'm running my program, and it has the shake here that you can emulate by just pressing that button. So that's clearly generated number 1 that time. If I shake the program again, that's clearly generated number 2 that time. And let's see what happens if I generate it again. So if I press that one more time, it's generated number 2 again. Now you can obviously extend these to have other conditions. You could even say if the number was greater than or equal to, and you can teach your students about more operators. So have a go at making a simple number generator or simple dice, and have some fun using variables.